Well, we kind of got a storm going here. Ooh-wee. Freaky, man. It's been really humid here, 41 degrees with the humidity. Just thought I'd give you a bird's eye view of what's going on here. Ooh. Wowie. I'm gonna walk to the living room here. We got most of the lights off because it looks like they may go anyways. No TV going, no computer going. Just all and out thunderstorm fun. What do you think, guys? Not so bad. We can do this. Hallelujah. Lord knows we needed it, that's for sure. This is our front little porch. And the one you were just at was our side porch. And that's about it. The wind's howling pretty good. And the thunder's up there. Got some good lightning going. Amen. Oh yeah, we get those a lot going past our house. Because it's High Street when you're in Vankleek, but it's still Highway 34. That goes to the 417, which is a 4-lane highway. That's the one you travel from Ottawa to Montreal, and you get off at Vankleek if you want to see us. We're just about smack right dab in the middle of it, I think. Nice. Anyway, just thought we'd give you a bird's eye view of what's going on. And make sure I got my towels so I don't get wet behind the ears. And we'll talk to you later. Alrighty. Have a good one. Don't forget, you are loved.